Alright guys, we're back finally from what you may call an eventful past, I think 2 months. The challenge must have started 2 months ago. Let me just confirm the details. Let's see. Oh no, it was one month ago? Really? 20th of March. Okay, on the 20th of March. Anyways, I'm gonna keep it brief. Like, I haven't watched all of the videos. I watched some of them. And I mean, from what I'm seeing from the video, and even like just compared to like how I'm trading now, like, well, I say now, but how I'm trading off camera, it was, pardon me, like completely different. And yeah, I mean, we made like some major comebacks, but I think the main thing is that I didn't stick to my plan at all. Like, my system of like waiting for the 4-hour confirmation, then waiting for a great entry signal on the 30-minute or the 1 hour if it's a counter trend. Like, I didn't do any of those things, and yeah, that's why I feel like like I was feeling so much pressure and not even doing things correctly. I mean, I think there was definitely like a few trades that were like taken very well. I definitely think that I'm more optimistic about trying it again, but later on, not now, because I think that I need to focus on myself and refine the strategy some more. Just bear with me 1 second. So yeah, it's definitely been fun, a good experience. I want to figure out like some more kind of like content to put out there, because I actually enjoyed filming, showing you guys about, I guess, a bit about me, and also like my routine when it comes to like trading. It's unfortunate that I never got to complete the challenge. I wouldn't even count the last video as like like part of the challenge, because yeah, we kind of lost the account. I think we lost the account, and then we tried to put money back. I mean, I did make new rules for that specific deposit, but like even that even that, it didn't go well. So yeah, that happened. Let's see. If I had to say the things that I've taken away from this challenge is definitely, I just have to wait for the setup. Like, I don't have to force trades, or even if I force trades, like, I shouldn't be putting on like full risk. At least I should decrease my risk. And then I would say even, oh, another thing was about the lot sizes. I definitely learned a lot about the lot sizes, because before I was more worried about using higher lot sizes. Like, it's been forever where I don't think I've ever used a higher lot size intentionally with like stop loss and take profit. And man, like to do such a thing, like I definitely felt empowered because, you know, for example, like if I'm using 0.01 on an account that's got only £100, for example, like with my system, I'm only losing £3, but if I win with my system, maybe I'll make like, let's say on average maybe 12 to, I think from anywhere between like 12 to £24. So yeah, I felt quite empowered because even I was saying to Lorenzo, like before, I would never be able to take 200 pips off of gold, like with ease, right? Before I was really struggling, like I was even struggling just to get 50 pips. So it shows that what I'm doing is working, right? So anyways, now I'm feeling more confident with upping the lot sizes. And plus, when you think about it, the lot sizes, it doesn't really matter until obviously you reach a certain amount of use on your account. So for me, for example, when it comes to my own account, I mainly focus on using 5%. So for example, 5% of the £100 would be £5. So I'd only make sure to use a maximum of £5 per trade. And if I lose that trade, then yeah, I'll lose like £3, £6, depending on, like if I'm trading GJ, for example. But yeah, that was definitely something. Another thing that I mean I've been thinking about while I'm speaking about the lot sizes is that I figured out that, well, I say I figured out, but I finally come to accept that if my area of interest fails, right, then I just have to wait. And what that means is I have to wait for a second confirmation, and then if that confirmation still follows my bias, then I'll give it another try. But we could be wrong, and it's very complicated, yeah. But I would say the best thing to do is give it 2 tries. The first try, if it fails, then you wait for a 1 hour confirmation, whether it's counter trend or with the trend, and then yeah, after that you enter again if you get it. If it fails, then then what I learned is to extend my entry. So for example, if I'm looking for buys on, let's say, like this week, I was taking buys on Nasdaq. If my first entry failed, and then after that there was a second confirmation with the 1 hour, and then I said, okay, let's try again, and then it played out, but it didn't play out to like my TP. I think we managed to get to 20,200, but it wasn't where I wanted the TP. The original TP was 450, and then the second one was, I changed it to 300, and then we didn't end up getting either. We managed to get up to like 20,200, but yeah, price decided to just reject. And yeah, I mean, this is like one of the many positions I opened, but I don't know if you can see that properly. I closed at 20,048. So yeah, I mean, we still managed to secure, I didn't even read how many pips we managed to see. We still managed to secure, sorry about that. Yeah, my phone ran out of storage, so I had to delete some stuff. unfortunately, because I would have liked to keep the stuff, but yeah, I had to go. Anyways, yeah, we still managed to catch 350 pips on Nasdaq. We held it for like we held it since Tuesday. So yeah, it was Tuesday night. I would say it was like a yeah, it was kind of like those trades where it was like, yeah, this system has to work, because I think, yeah, around like Monday, Tuesday, I was starting to like doubt my system, but like now I know it's solid, because even there was like a movement that happened with gold, and I was like, yeah, okay, now the system works. We just have to trade the system, and that's it. We'll start seeing great results. So yeah, I think knowing the first lesson was about lot sizes. The second one, I done it in the wrong order, because I'm trying to remember what the first actual point was. Um, oh my days, I don't remember. I should be able to remember. Okay, anyways. Oh my god, this is not good. But yeah, so the main the main lessons I learned is that the lot sizes, it doesn't matter as long as there's not too much exposure to the account. The next one is to make sure that understanding when your point area of interest is no longer an area of interest. If it fails twice, then that's it. I would say also another thing to consider as well is, and that I've noticed in the videos that I watch, is that I don't stick to my analysis. You know, price. I'll have an understanding of the direction of where price can go, but instead of sticking to that bias, I'll just leave it. I'll either cut it short, or I'll go the opposite direction. Like even the last few videos, I think there was like moments where like I didn't even know which way price was going, and it's only because I didn't trust my instincts. And I think especially with trading, like you have to trust your instincts, and that's where it kind of leads up to that thing of when your area of interest fails, right? If your trade fails once, twice, then you have to say, okay, let's leave it here. Let's wait for this next zone to be tapped, or like, yeah, for to be met. So yeah, that's definitely something that I would is very, very important. And then I don't know if I repeat myself, but lastly, it's just excuse me, by the way. Lastly, the main thing is just sticking to your plan. You know, making sure that you only trade your system, because more time, the only reason why, like, if you notice the patterns in my trades that you've seen me take, you notice that when I don't follow my system, I tend to lose trades. But then if I follow my system, I'll win. I'm more likely to win trades. Pardon me. So what does that mean? That means that I must. That means you must follow. That means you must follow your system. That's it. You know, all it takes, I think, is just refining. So that's what I'm currently working on now, which is refining my system. And then just in, I was gonna say enjoy the markets. You know. So I hope this like reflection was good enough. It's probably like this is my first public reflection on my trading. If you if you've seen, if you, yeah, I've got like so much footage of like much more harsh reflections on myself, like on what's been going on for the past week. But yeah, I feel more at ease because I'm not. I know that I've got a system that works, and it's just about now, like, as I would usually say, capitalizing off of it, and that's it. Sticking to the plan, and that's it. You know. It is very. It was very bad of me, of course, to set rules and then not follow the rules, like. But yeah. Anyways, it's we're here now. So yeah, I'm gonna. I was I wasn't really thinking too much about what I could do in terms of like content for YouTube, but maybe I can do like trade breakdowns of like trades that I've taken. Maybe that would be nice. If you just if you'd like to drop a comment and let me know what you'd like to see, then yeah, I'd be happy to do so. And hopefully you'll find it insightful, and I'll hope to learn from you guys' questions or feedback. Like, it'll be nice because then, it'll make me think of something I might not have thought of before and open my eyes to something. So it's great. So yeah, now pretty much prior to this video, I was doing my pre-market, post-market, pre-market analysis. To be honest, the markets is, I mean, it's a bit interesting. Like, the dollar looks like it's rebounding. So I've got short ideas for gold. USD CAD, I've got short ideas as well, but I think that one will continue to push up a bit, USD CAD. GBP CHF, I'm only waiting for buys because we're at the bottom of the market. And then NASDAQ, looking for sells. Not looking for buys anymore because it just seems all unclear. Like, I don't really care about what the price action will do. But there's that. And then GBP JPY, excuse me, I'm waiting for opportunities to sell. But if, like I mentioned in the Telegram, if price comes lower first, then I'll be happy to buy. But if we push up first, then I'll just be looking to short GJ. And aside from that, there's nothing much else. Just to close the challenge, just for fun. So currently let me clear my notifications 1 second. So currently it's 6:36, and right now my personal account is at, you can't see, at this. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. It should be very interesting. I'm excited to see what wonders we bring, and especially now, like, I'm only going to be focused on my system. Like, that's it. I'm not looking to be Superman. So we'll wait and see. But please let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you thought of the challenge if you watched it, and if you want to have if you would like to see like some live updates, then join the Telegram. I don't do signals. I just want to make that clear. I don't do signals. I don't do I don't know, whatever other Forex traders do, like, in terms of like trying to, like, courses and stuff like that. Like, I don't do none of that. I would say even it's too soon, but I wouldn't want to do courses anyway. I literally just want to share my journey, my life, and yeah, just hopefully bring some inspiration. And I'm enjoying the videos, so yeah, like I said, I can't wait to see the comments, and see you next time. Oh, actually, I forgot. Yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. TikTok, I'm more active on TikTok. I'm actually starting to like TikTok a lot. Twitch, I'm working my way. We finally hit like 10 followers. But yeah, yeah, I think if I was more at home, then I'll definitely be wanting to live stream on Twitch. But the thing is, I don't even know what to stream. So maybe you could suggest like some ideas of what you'd like to see on Twitch. I should tell you, I do have the MT5 simulator. So yeah, I mean, if there's like a group of you that wanna just like live stream and we can use like the simulator, man, I'd be down to do that. So just let me know, and yeah, we'll organize something. But yeah, aside from that, I'm out. I'm going to get back to doing what I do best. I was gonna say live life, but that is definitely not what I do best. Yeah, but we're gonna we're gonna continue with the day and see where we go. But yeah, it was not. It's my outros are very long. I'm so sorry. Yeah. See you for the next video, and have a great week.